Research has shown that color of food can dramatically affect people's judgment of how good the food tastes. You recruit 15 subjects to take part in a study. Subjects are served award-winning mashed potatoes that are smooth, white, and lightly seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, chives, and mild cream. The same subjects are also served mashed potatoes prepared identically, except that the potatoes have been artificially colored blue. Subjects are then asked to rate the flavor of each serving using a scale where 10 equals extremely delicious and 1 equals repulsive tasting. Based on the data in Table 1 below, is there a significant difference between the perceptions of taste based on color of food? Okay, so we would create a hypothesis, a null hypothesis, that would basically say there is no difference between the ratings of the taste of white potatoes when compared to the taste of blue potatoes. And we have the data here to look at in Table 1. And we see that we have the 15 subjects, and we see in the white potatoes their ratings and the blue. So what we'll do, since we have the same subjects doing basically two different tastes, is we're going to be using a t-test and a paired t-test, since we have the same subject doing a white potato taste and a blue potato taste. So we go up to Data, go to Data Analysis. We'll move our box over, and we're going to do, as we scroll down, we're going to look for the t-test paired to sample for means. So I highlight that and click OK. At this point, we're asked to enter the input range for variable 1, and in our example here, for the white potatoes, it is here starting in this cell. So we click on this, click and hold and drag it down. So we have entered variable 1, and then we do the same thing for variable 2, the blue potatoes. So we click on the first set of the data and drag it down over all of it. We release it. Our hypothesized mean difference is 0. Our alpha level is going to be 0.05, that is our level of significance, and our output range we're going to put into a new worksheet. So we click on that, then we click OK, and it takes us to our new worksheet. Here we can widen the column so we can read this a little easier. And notice that the mean for the variable 1, which is our white potatoes, is 8.06, and the mean for the blue tasting potatoes is 6.2. So there is a difference, but is that difference significant? Well, we come down here and we look at our t-statistic, and we see that our t-statistic, our calculated t-statistic, when we round it off to 2 decimal places, is 3.84. We then come down and compare that to our critical value, and the critical value is 2.14. Since our calculated t-value is greater than our critical value, we reject the null hypothesis that there is no difference, and we would conclude that there is a significant difference between the two. We can then go up to the means here, and we'll see that the individuals preferred the taste of the white potatoes over the blue potatoes. There is a significant difference between the means. People tended to prefer the white tasting potatoes over the blue tasting potatoes. So that's how we solve this particular question.